Welcome back to Future Cars Updates, where we bring you the most futuristic and unbelievable rides of tomorrow. And today we have something that will blow your mind, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Ferrari, the legendary brand known for its speed, luxury, and performance, is entering the motorhome game. And it's doing it in style. This isn't just any motorhome. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is a bold experiment, mixing high-performance supercar DNA with the comfort and functionality of a luxury RV. Imagine traveling across the country at Ferrari speeds, all while enjoying the luxury of a 5-star suite on wheels. Design-wise, the Ferrari Motorhome is an absolute stunner. It keeps Ferrari's iconic aerodynamic lines, sculpted bodywork, and aggressive front grille, but now stretched into a sleek, futuristic RV form. The front end features LED matrix headlights that resemble those on the Ferrari SF90, while the rear has quad exhausts and a sporty diffuser. Just to remind everyone, this is still a Ferrari at heart. The two-tone paint, carbon fiber detailing, and low-slung silhouette make it look like it's moving, even when parked. Under the hood, or should we say under the floor, things get even more interesting. The Ferrari Motorhome is expected to feature a hybrid V8 powertrain, pushing out over 700 horsepower. That's enough to take this beast from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, which is absolutely insane for something this size. Ferrari has also worked on advanced suspension and handling systems to make sure it drives like a car, not like a bulky van. It's also rumored to include an all-wheel drive system and adaptive cruise control tailored for long-distance luxury travel. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an interior that feels more like a private jet than a motorhome. Premium. Italian leather wraps every seat and surface. There's a full-sized bed, a compact but stylish kitchen, a high-tech entertainment system, and even a mini lounge with a fold-out table and Ferrari-branded recliners. A panoramic glass roof runs across the ceiling, giving you uninterrupted views of the sky during your journey. The dashboard is fully digital with Ferrari's signature steering wheel design, complete with LED shift lights and integrated controls. It has voice-activated systems, a virtual assistant powered by AI, and a holographic interface for navigation and entertainment. Production is expected to be extremely limited. Ferrari isn't planning to mass-produce this. It's more of a statement piece, a glimpse into how even the most elite performance brands are adapting to new lifestyles and luxury demands. Price? Well, if you have to ask, it's probably out of range. Rumors suggest somewhere north of $3 million. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's a dream on wheels, combining Ferrari's racing legacy with tomorrow's travel. Luxury. Let us know in the comments. Would you take this on a road trip? Thanks for watching Future Cars Updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the cars of tomorrow. Let me know if you'd like a version in Urdu or with a voiceover style tone.